Hi everyone. So this is day two, technically day three. We reached here on Sunday. Mainly, it's been really exciting meeting a lot of good people, and of course learning from them of what's the latest going on. So I want to start by getting you a quick introduction with this amazing young talented person, Mr. Shardul Dhaul. So Shardul, why don't you share about yourself, what you're doing here, and who you are?
Hi, my name is Shardul Dhaul, and I graduated from Arizona State University. Um, I did my bachelor's and master's from there, and my major is was computer science, and I concentrate in big data systems. So I love building systems and designing them. And right now, I'm working at Catbots. Uh, I'm interning there, and I'm developing really cool applications, such as right now the most recent one I'm working on is this large language model application, which retrieves SEC and your data bases filings and converts them into very easy summarizations. So yeah, that's about me.
And that's really cool, Shardul. When I see the young talent that's coming into catbots, especially from Arizona State University,
Yeah.
I get to meet like a lot of cool people, and the kind of brain power, firepower you guys are bringing is amazing. And to see that sort of energy, I think that's how the AI is going to become real. So, we have seen some of the examples you have created, and bringing that into the SAP ecosystem, that's going to be really exciting. So, I'm really looking forward to that.
Yeah, no, that's lovely. So, since this is day two of the SAP Insider event, how was your SAP Insider uh, SAP Partner Summit?
Yeah. So basically, yeah, the partner summit is where I focus my energies. Like you guys were at the insider event.
Yeah,
So mostly, like I have been trying to connect the dots from the standpoint of what we are doing, what the business teams are doing, or the business leaders are looking at, like how they can achieve their objectives. But what I'm also noticing, Shardul, is that most of the people are busy with their day-to-day jobs, and the AI initiatives are not really top of mind because there's a lot to be done. And essentially, to make that real, we have to bring the right talent and the right frameworks, and it takes a lot to make that all come together.
good.
So my day two was really productive. I got to see like so many amazing tools that SAP has already brought together. The cool thing is also that SAP is keeping its ecosystem open to be able to integrate with
Yeah.
applications outside of SAP and making it much more easier. Of course, with the right controls and the frameworks in place, so that we can make it very meaningful for the business, and at the same time, from a data security, privacy standpoint, and there are many aspects of AI that need to be taken care, right?
Yeah.
So many aspects of implementing a software that need to be taken care. Now, what is exciting is that how we make it real for business. It's not just like the talk we are doing, but it's actually making it real. Now, I attended some of the sessions where uh, people are not just talking on the surface, but they're really talking about how everything connects together. As you may be aware, we have the SAP software, and then there are data that needs to be fetched from outside of SAP. So you need like APIs, and there are like middlewares that are available to our customers, and there are multiple players over there. So those people can come into play, and then there is business people who are going to be giving the use cases and the problems they want to solve. And then there are these like the ecosystem partners, SAP itself, and then there's the amazing like talent that is out there, right?
Yeah.
So essentially, I feel when people say, "Hey, the white collar job is going away," the white collar job is not going away. It is staying, but it is converting into some different aspects, right? That's where all of us need to get smarter about AI. We need to connect the dots. If I'm a business person, I have the knowledge on how my business is running and what are my pain points.
Mhm.
Now, the business person can think about how I can solve this, right? So, I have mentioned this before when I had gone through the MIT course, when I dug deeper into what is really AI and how the computer systems and the business connect together,
Yeah.
right? How the business problem gets solved. So I mentioned this together. There is a role to be played by everyone in this entire AI implementation. So I think it's an exciting time. Mainly, I feel like all of us need to come together, be part of the next change that is happening. It's almost like a .com thing or a computer is invented sort of a moment in our lives. So all of us need to come together. So the day two was even further like exciting because there's like so many amazing opportunities for partners, and of course really solving the business problems. It's kind of coming together at this moment. So yeah, that's what I learned today.
That's lovely. That's lovely. So, how do you think, as like we are in a startup environment, how can we make sure like we get the most out of what we are doing with AI use cases?
Yeah, I think why it's exciting for us is because there are a lot of the new innovations and inventions that need to happen.
Yeah.
What inspires me is when you look at the startups, they're more like agile and they can do stuff very quickly, and they can also tap into a lot of the young talent. And the way we are structured is minimal overheads and things like that,
Yeah.
and more efficiencies. So I feel it doesn't take more number of people, but it takes less number of people who are really committed to make the change happen. That's how the change starts, right? So that's my point of view. But I will ask you back one more question, Shardul, is
Yeah.
that so what are you looking forward to after this event, but in general, like maybe 5 years down the line or something that's on your mind?
My overall so like after this event specifically, I'm going to take back a lot of information that I learned from here. A lot of people that were here presented really well and thought out products. The teams organized themselves really well, and that kind of gave me a lot of motivation to inculcate all that culture, all the positive things, and bring it back to our company, the culture that we are inculcating. So we'll develop that, and down the line, I hope I'm somewhere where I love working, and I love working here. So hopefully
Nice.
that's that.
So what I'm looking forward to is we build some amazing apps together,
Yeah,
really solving business problems. In the process, we all grow, professionally
yeah.
and otherwise. So maybe we come back to the next conferences and present our apps and
Of
things like
course.
that. And it's so nice talking to you, Shardul. All the best for the future, like what's coming ahead. So thank you so much for the discussion.
Thank you so
We
much.
talk more. Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
See you guys.